45 today.
Yeah, so that is a hundred, please.
How about next Friday, the 29th?
Oh.
So it gives you a week from tomorrow.
But
Are you puddling it down there?
Sorry. All right, I've got a piece of paper here. It says you talked to the prosecutor. Oh, she's asked me to dismiss the case. I'm assuming that's okay with you. All right, this case is dismissed. That's the good news. You got to get the bad news now. You owe us money on some other stuff. I've got $264 on a prohibited parking ticket out of Romulus from 2024. Can you pay that today or make some kind of payment arrangements? Okay. Okay.
A couple surgeries.
Okay.
Surgery too. If you can give me some time, I can make things, I can pay with an original.
I just want you to make a commitment today. You don't have to have any money today. So I'm okay with the payment plan starting in July. Do you want just to have a due date or you want to make payments? Okay. So $264 by August 1? You sure? Thanks, Jamie. Okay. All right. We're not giving you any paperwork. Just put it in your phone. All right. Good luck with your surgery. Thank you. How about Alex Blessings? Mr. Blessings, are you going forward today without an attorney? Good morning.
Yeah.
I've got a piece of paper that says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, a civil infraction. You agree to pay fines at cost of, is that $145? All right. And if I accept that plea, then I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor. And is that your deal? That's what you want to do? All right. Can you pay the $145 today?
Yeah, so that is a hundred, please.
How about next Friday, the 29th?
Oh.
So it gives you a week from tomorrow.
But if it's okay, Monday, that's true.
You want to go to the Monday after?
Yeah.
So you want to go to,
Like 3 days later from that Friday.
yeah, I'll give you till 31st. You're all set.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Do I need to talk very little?
No, you're all set. Just take off. Come back with your money. You're just, excuse me, you're going to plead to a 5 over speeding and we're dismissing the original.
Over there, should be behind the podium. Thank you.
Oh,
Sir, we're going to dismiss the original ticket. You're going to plead to 5 over.
sir.
The deal. You just made a deal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're going to plead to 5 over speeding. Okay. And fines and costs on that at 130. Pay it today. Go downstairs.
Well, the ticket is already paid.
Oh, you posted a bond?
Yes.
Go downstairs. Actually, we don't need him for anything then, do we? Have a nice day. That's it. Did you find it? You didn't find the paperwork yet, did you?
Oh, no, I just crossed them off. I apologize.
No, that's okay.
No, weren't files.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it. Oh, I think this is it. Mason.
So that first one's this out. Okay, I got some here, Judge.
Name?
Lizette, Cody Lizette.
This was pure genius putting these files up high like this.
I like it.
Yeah. Who else you got? Who you
I
got, Tim?
have, that's Lizette Cody. Then I have Sterling.
Like
This
Silver?
body outside or the inside. Okay, good, thank you. Sterling.
S's are a problem today.
All right, I got Sterling.
And then Solinsky, S and
Yep.
O.
Yeah.
Angela?
The other one is Peterson. Push the dairy.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, Cody Lizette.
64917.
Thank you.
It's scheduled for written and pre-trial, so let's set a random wait on reading. We are requesting an additional pre-trial, be getting some discovery from the city attorney.
Okay. Heather, Belleville, pretrial?
Is it possible to another date run?
Yeah, no.
Well, big time for the people to begin with. Is there another date that I could get on?
Oh, so you don't want July 6th?
I'll take on that one case just because we need to.
Just the other one we need to.
But yeah, I think Angela was saying it's September 1st.
No. Is that Belleville and ambulance?
I should say that, my bad.
No, but you might be right and think it is September 1st.
Time?
9:30?
That's Martin, correct?
That's March.
Okay, Mr. Lizette, just have us, oh, no, don't have a seat yet. Let's talk money. You got a payment plan with us? Got a payment coming up on June 2? Okay. All right, now have a seat, we'll get you notice. Sorry. Sterling,
If you would be 649 and stuff, then we have the students stand. Student, please tell us everything.
thank you.
Bring an entry trial, so let's reading.
Thank you. I'll enter not guilty plea. September 1,
Appreciate it.
9:30 again? Miss Sterling, are you working?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not done with you yet.
She is employed, Ron, this would be a first offense, blood, .06, 3 over in the prior anything. She's here today on her own accord. She will be back again. I've already talked.
A .06?
06. Very interested to see what the discovery says.
Me too.
That's probable cause for the stop, I believe, is headlights.
Yeah. Was there a blood test?
No.
Breath test. Okay.
So
All right. Okay. So are you working? Where at? All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. You stay out of trouble when you show up in court when you're supposed to be here. You can do that. All right. Or show up on Zoom when you're supposed to do that. All right. Third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. So that means no alcohol, no marijuana. Can you live with that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? Now have a seat. We'll get you notice. Christopher Smolinski.
we want to thank you, the 649 on the southern period, and behalf of Studinsky, say, and your honor, this time they accepted for this resolution, so sort of.
Yep. All right, Mr. Smolinski, it looks like you're going to plead responsible to a civil infraction. And you've agreed to pay fines at cost of $250.
Yeah.
Can you pay that today? Go downstairs, get a smile out of our cashier, and we'll get you on your way. The misdemeanor is dismissed when that gets paid. You're welcome. Derek Peterson.
Good morning, your honor.
Mr. Peterson, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Go on adjourn. They said it was going to be adjourned for me?
Yeah, but that's part two. Part one is, are you doing this without an attorney?
Oh,
Okay. All right, we'll adjourn this. That's Belleville. How far out you want to go?
We can do 10:40.
Who's that with? All right, so that'll be on Zoom, July 16th, 10:40. You can do that? All right. Are you working, sir? Okay. Do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? And do you understand the rights you have and the options those rights give you? All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you. I'm also going to put you on a personal bond. So the first two conditions are stay out of trouble and show up for your court date. Third condition is don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. No marijuana, no alcohol. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Any questions? Just have a seat till we get you your notice and then you're on your way.
This portion of the court proceedings focused primarily on case management, scheduling, and administrative matters. Judge Oakley reviewed several cases that required updates on their current status and future court dates. Rather than lengthy arguments or witness testimony, much of the discussion centered on ensuring that each case continued moving through the legal process in an orderly manner. One of the more notable matters involved Cody Lizette's case, where the attorneys informed the court that additional time was needed to complete discovery. Discovery is an important stage in which both sides review evidence, exchange information, and prepare their legal arguments. After discussing the situation with counsel, the court approved additional time and scheduled a future hearing to allow both parties to continue their preparation. The session also included several brief hearings that focused on procedural issues such as confirming appearances, setting dates, and handling routine requests. These matters were addressed efficiently so that the court's docket could continue progressing without unnecessary delays. Alongside these case discussions, Judge Oakley worked with court staff to organize files, verify information, and coordinate upcoming proceedings. While these administrative tasks often receive little attention, they play an essential role in maintaining an organized courtroom and ensuring that cases are handled accurately. Overall, this segment highlighted the practical side of court operations, showing how judges, attorneys, and court personnel work together to keep the judicial process running smoothly.